Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Saki Does Stuff Toys and Collectibles. We are back at the table here and we are going to unbox the Masters of the Universe Origins King Hiss. I'm going to try to do a little bit better getting into the shot here. Let's move this down. Maybe I can use this to focus this time. I didn't do so well on the comic for the Rock On video, so I didn't zoom in as much either, so might be a little further away. I'll bring the figure closer so you can see it a little bit better. But let's crack this open. I got the scissors ready to go here, and this is a deluxe figure. And looks like first thing going to come out is his staff. Get the snake arms out. That is so neat. And head. And can we get the shield out? There we go. Okay, King Hiss, it's time to get out of there. Mini comic, I guess you're coming out last. There we have it, King Hiss. In his humanoid form. So let's put that off to the side here. I didn't even show the packaging, did I? And then on the back, we got Serpentine King Hiss fighting Snake Armor He-Man there. And then it shows pop the arms off. And I guess, yeah, pop the head off and the arms off. Then the armor comes off. And it looks like you put the snake torso and the snake torso's under the armor. Okay, cool. Then we got Cobra Khan, Rattler, looks like Thunder Punch He-Man, Battle or Snake Armor He-Man, and that is one of the Sun Man characters, which I need to get more of those too. I have Pighead and Sunman, and that's all I have for those. And then it's got Snake Men logo on the front of it. Let's put that off to the side. Let's take a look at this mini comic here. It's like, oh, there's the instructions. Shows you how to assemble your King Hiss. Oh, just that side. Like that. And let's take a look at this comic here. In the frame, yes, we are. Just gonna flip the pages. There are no conversation bubbles yet. Actually, there's nothing so far. Is that Mechanic? Yeah. All coiled in snakes, evidently. Mechanic with a snake head? No way. Yeah, this one doesn't have any wording to it. And then again, another shot of the wave of characters for that wave. We'll put that off there. Let's get King Hiss out of there. Get our scissors out and we will cut these little deals off the back. I always go from the back so I don't scratch the figure. Try not to scratch the figure. There's one. Two. And then the couple by the boots. Sometimes you gotta pull them and stretch them a little bit. I am struggling with these today. There we go. And let's go try this one again. There it is. Yeah, those are. We'll throw them in the garbage. We don't need them. And what else? Do we have one by your head or your waist? Oh, you should be able to come out of there. And bust loose here. Get his head out. Perfect. Get the rest of them out because I don't want to save those. I'm one of those that likes to save their packaging. So we'll just put this back in here like so. In this case, I want to put the figure back in and display it someday. Probably gonna end up doing that with all my all my Origins figures until I get the casing done for them. But nice tight joints there. Oh, it's kind of a rubberized plastic, the armor. Cool. There we have it. Let's get the sword and shield. This turn. Yeah, it does. Good. Get the shield on there and staff in hand, and we'll do that pose first. All right, let's get a head turn. Yes. A little side profile. Ready for battle pose, maybe. We'll try it. There we go. How about that? Let's bring him a little bit closer to you so you can see what's going on here. The shield just clips onto the wrist part like that. And we have the staff right there, the snake staff. Turn his head back a little closer for you so you can see the detail on the face. Cool serpent on the shield. Like that, and you can see that the armor is clipped on by that. And that's how we have that. There we go. King Hess in his humanoid form. Now we have to do it. We're going to take the weapons off and the shield. And we need to pop your arms and head off. Oh, this makes me nervous every time. Oh, there's one arm. Oh, that ain't so bad. Now we need to pop your head off this head. And let's get your armor off here. Yep, just kind of gently pull them out there. Like so. And we have the serpent body underneath. Let's get them. Oh, they kind of go down at an angle. Neat. Get the serpent head. Like so. I did it right? No. You're not popping in right. There we go. Put your human head and arms over there, and there we have it. Serpent King Hess. That's pretty neat. I don't know how I want to display it now. It'd almost be cool to have two of these. Have him in his serpent form, and then yeah, there's so many ways you can display it. You could put the armor back on and have like the snake arms with the human head and all that. There's so many options. I'll bring them closer to you. Check out the snake arms. Got red eyes on them. Let's do it like that. Get the full effect of all 3 snake heads. Side profile. Then, of course, from the back. And that is King Hiss. Yeah, there's so many ways you could pose this character. How's that one look? Oh, that's cool. I think we'll make that the closing shot. And I have, boy, I'm way far behind on unboxings for these Motu Origins figures. I've been collecting them over the past several months and it's sad, I've gotten them and then they've just been sitting in their packaging waiting because I wanted to do unboxing videos for them, but here's another one down, and I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more for sure. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.